Look what just got delivered. I'm super excited. So this is a travel subscription box that has a bunch of goodies inside, and I thought we could open it together. So I have cut the sticky tape on the bottom just so I can open it easier. I haven't looked inside yet. So let's open it. Oh wow. That is so cute. Travel far enough, you meet yourself. That is so cool. And there's like a little design on the inside. Ooh. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, let's look what's inside. So the first thing is this. Oh, that's interesting. I think this is where you put your documents when you travel. Then this is like a little bag that you can put, I guess, your clothes in. So you have to do laundry. Okay. And then we have, ooh, in-flight elixir. That would be cool. Okay. And then we got a travel pouch with flamingos. Those ones are always very useful. And then, oh, those are some cookie cutters. Those are awesome. Okay. And then we have a towel. That is so cute. I love this color. So it's like a little towel. Okay. Ooh, I saw this book too. There's a book, Meet Me in Paradise, very on theme here. And then we got this guy over here. That is awesome. And there's all this confetti inside. Everything looks really cute. I'm gonna look through them a little more in detail and I'll show you some pictures. I thought this was some sort of a hand cream or a lotion, but that's actually a candle. Oh, it smells so good. It's lime coconut. You know what it smells like? It smells like sunscreen. When you put on sunscreen and it smells like coconut, that's literally what it reminds me of. It smells really good. Here are the two cookie cutters. One is a pineapple and one is a palm tree. We actually bake cookies quite often, so this is actually gonna come in handy. I really like those. Here is the little bag with flamingos. I love flamingos, by the way. They're the best. Well, after unicorns. So let's open this one. And oh, it actually has like little pockets. Oh wow, that is awesome. You can actually hang this in the bathroom. Like put your toiletries and stuff and just hang them in the bathroom by this hook. And then there's one pocket here. There is, oops. There is another one here and there's another one at the bottom. That is quite a lot of storage. Wow, this is good. I like this. This is actually better than I was thinking. So I thought those were two separate bags, but this is actually one large bag that's like together. So I'm assuming this would be for your like underwear and bras and stuff like that, based on like the little design here. So your clean ones go in here, and once you use them, you can put them in this one. So you can always know which ones are clean and which ones are not. Which is awesome, because I kind of just throw things in my luggage. So this would be very, very helpful. Here is the book, Meet Me in Paradise. Here is the back. I think it's kind of like a romantic novel about this girl who doesn't want to travel because her mother died abroad and her sister wants to take her on a vacation somewhere, but she doesn't make the plane, and then the other girl meets a guide and they end up going to the trip together instead of her sister. It sounds pretty interesting. I think it's something you can read on a beach, which is why I think this is such a good choice for this box. So inside of this little folder here, oh, that's so cute, travel bingo. So inside of this, you'll find like a little pamphlet that explains what is in the box. And where the things are from and stuff like that. There is a guide. There's a crossword. There is an interview with Air Canada pilot. That would be fun. And top 11 tropical locations. Nice. And then you also get a thank you card with a handwritten note and a little postcard. And this one I'm going to tell you about next. I'm really excited to try this. It's a drink mix that you put in your water bottle while you're flying somewhere, and helps with dehydration and fatigue and all that stuff. It's actually a Canadian company, women owned. So over here you can see all of the stuff that's inside, and it's supposed to help you feeling better after a flight. I'm really excited to try it. Also, strawberry lemon sounds good. Let's open it. So you get 8 packages inside, and they're individually packaged. So you put this in your carry-on, mix it in your water, and you're good to go. Also, it's vegan, gluten-free, and GMO-free. It's like a superfood that you just drink with your water. Last but not least, we have the towel. So it's very soft. I believe it's real cotton. And it's actually pretty big. I believe this is a towel that you can lay on the beach. I'm gonna insert a picture here to show you how big it is.